Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed that wonderful pizza that I made. Okay, so now here we have, we're going to make the tossed salad. Now the fact is, with a tossed salad, it's no good going into having a salad and then having this mix poured on it, because that's a waste of time, because it doesn't really mix properly, it's not made properly. And I'll show you how to make it now. I know we're all price conscious and we're all very busy. And you can buy a whole lettuce and you can buy a whole cabbage and carrots and things like that. But if you're in a hurry, you can buy that.
Give me a second.
Now that costs £1. It's pre-washed, but I wash it anyway because you just don't know these days. So I washed it and it's all here. And now what you've got in there, you've got red cabbage, you've got carrots, you've got different variations of lettuce, and it's all going into this particular glass bowl here. This is for people that are busy working and haven't got time to prepare. And also, of course, you've got to make sure that you don't have all this waste and throw it away every week in those little green bags. So when you can buy a whole lettuce if you want, and you just use lettuce only if you want. But I feel as though the colour and the red cabbage and the carrots and various other lettuce bits are absolutely lovely. Now what I've done, I cut half a cucumber, just a medium-sized cucumber in small pieces. I'm going to add that to it. Okay, so that's all gone in there, and I've got one red onion which I'm going to put in as well, all chopped up fine like that. You can see how it's chopped up, just small pieces.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, so that all goes in there like that. And for a bit of colour as well, I've got a yellow pepper. Now you can put anything you want in a salad really, but I've got a yellow pepper, which is one pepper. I put that in there like that as well. And of course I've got 3 medium-sized tomatoes, so I'm going to put that, they're chopped up as well, put those in there like that. And that is our base for our tossed salad. Now, the thing is now, we need to put some olive oil, so I'm going to get a tablespoon and judge this. Olive oil goes in first. Now you're going to need 1, 2 and a bit. Okay, so, well, I've got 3 tablespoonfuls, but there's quite a lot there. Alright, so what we're going to do now is mix all this up first. And now we're going to put our salt and pepper in. Now, I say about, it depends what your particular tastes are in regard to salt. I'd say about a tablespoonful of salt, some pepper, just a sprinkle of pepper on it like that. Okay, mix that up as well. I mean, you can use sweet corn, you can use anything at all in salad, but the secret is the mix. It's not necessarily what you put in regard to solid things, it's the sauce, the juice. So now, what I've got now is lemon juice. So we're going to put some lemon juice in. And I would say 3 lemon juice tablespoonfuls in. Mix that up. And it's best to obviously taste it as you go with the salt and pepper to make sure it's right. Now what I'm going to do now is get some vinegar. Very important, vinegar. So we're going to do the same with vinegar. We're going to put 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of vinegar in there, and we're going to mix that up now. And you won't believe the taste of this. You will not believe the taste of the vinegar and the lemon juice and the oil together, the salt and the pepper, and the garlic. A clove of garlic chopped up goes in, and mix it in like that. Now I could probably do with just a slight more salt, because when I put my salt in, this had run out, so I'm going to get another one now, but I'm going to try this anyway. Would you like to try some of them?
Yes, please.
Well, that is your tossed salad. Believe me, that is delicious. Now, I'm going to get a couple of spoons here. Try some of that, Adam, see what you think.
I don't think you should add anything else.
Oh my god.
You can bring, I mean, the veg itself,
Look.
it brings all the flavours of the veg. It's absolutely lovely. That's perfect. And just in that right amount of pepper
Oh
as well.
god, so refreshing.
That's lovely. You got the lemon,
Beautiful.
The lemon, yeah, everything.
Now,
Really fresh.
that's how you make tossed salad. No other way. No other way at all. Now, okay, so thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the pizza. And I know very well you're going to enjoy this tossed salad because it's the only way to make a tossed salad. It's no good putting the oil in afterwards when you have a plate salad and put the dressing on afterwards, because it doesn't mix properly. That mixes so well, and that is the way to make a tossed salad. So, thank you very much indeed for watching, and don't forget to watch What the Health is so important to you, your health, to get rid of diabetes in 2 weeks and other illnesses that you may have. Unfortunately, you know, you can, in the end, you'll be able to put those tablets away somewhere, because you'll be checked out and find out you're pretty good healthy wise, and therefore you won't need your tablet when you go back to the doctors. But don't forget, as I say, watch the health and enjoy this lovely tossed salad. We're going to certainly enjoy that tonight.
Oh yeah, we're
And
not.
thank you very much
Pizza.
indeed for watching, and I'll see you again. And the next time I see you, I know we're going shopping, I haven't forgotten about that, but the next time you see me, I shall be showing you how to do vegan Yorkshire puddings. Okay? Thank you very much indeed. See you again.